Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm from Cairns, Australia, and I've been touring with Indochina Pioneer for the last 14 days, organised by Caroline in Australia. And Vietnam has opened up many memories that will last forever for us. I've travelled with my family and loved it, and Indochina Pioneer has organised things so beautifully that we haven't had to think about anything, just enjoy ourselves. And the people of Vietnam are beautiful and have beautiful hearts, and we've been very special to meet some lovely people here and enjoy our trip. So if you're travelling to Vietnam, go Indochina Pioneer.